Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get LaTex up and running on your Windows PC. Now, this is not the only way of running LaTex on Windows PC or using LaTex on Windows PC. For example, you can use online LaTex editors like Overleaf. This is their website. I'll include the link to their website in the description below. Now, here in Overleaf, for you to use it, you have to first register such that when you do your work online, you can save it online, and the next time you come back, you can get that work, you edit it, make the changes you wish to. But today we are not going to look at that method. The method I prefer is much simpler, and the installation process is basic, and you can do your work offline without any disturbance. So for us to be able to do this, we are going to need two pieces of software. That is Mixtec, which is the back-end compiler of LaTex. So you go to their website. I'll also include the link to the website in the description. Then you download. So since you are installing for Windows, we shall download this, which is around 243.83 MBs. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to do that again. Then the second piece of software that we need is TextMaker, which is for the front end. Is basically a text editor. So you could use any other text editor, but the recommended one is TextMaker because it's specifically customized for writing LaTex. Now, when you come to the website, this is the official website, so you can choose. Since we are installing on Windows, we are going to come to this section of Windows, and I personally prefer the installer because it's basically graphical user, so you can easily run it without any error. So after downloading these two softwares, you can see I have mine downloaded here and here. So we are going to install starting with Mixtec. The order doesn't really matter, but I prefer to start with Mixtec. So then of course you follow the usual prompts while installing softwares, and after doing that we shall run. I already have Mixtec installed on my PC, but yeah, so install Mixtec only for me. You can choose these other options. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to go through this process again, but I believe it's basically the same as installing any other software, which I believe you would have already done. Then after installing that, we run our TextMaker. It's the same thing. I've already installed it on my PC. So I'm not going to go through the same process again. So after installing these two softwares, then we are ready to use to run LaTex on our PC. Now, so we press our Windows button, then type TEX and then we see that we have TextMaker here. Then we open our TextMaker. It's opening. So these are TextMaker. Usually it comes like this when there is nothing here. There's nothing here. Okay, so when we want to create a new file, we come here, we create a new file, then we save it. Let's give it a name. Let's save it. So let's give it a name. We're saving it. JDGON .txt .ex. So that's our file. Now you can come here and customize your text maker. What I usually like to do is checking this launch the clean tool when exiting. So usually when you're writing your LaTeX program, there are other files which are created by text maker. So when you launch this, you're going to delete these other files and will remain with only the source code and the output, which is in form of PDF. Then I also like coming here, you can change your font size from here. You can change to dark mode if you want. Yeah, so guys, that's how you set up LaTeX on your Windows PC. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it and it's been of great help to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit that notification button and then like this video, share with your friends and comment. Thank you.